Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Arun. In this session, I am going to explain what are nodes and what are the types of nodes and what is the formula to calculate the node. Look here friends, just consider this is an atom. This center part is called as nucleus, consisting of a proton and a neutron. And you know that electrons are revolve around the nucleus in a circular path called orbit. So here this is a region where we can find the electrons also. This is known as a orbital. Then what is orbital? It is a region around the nucleus where we can find the electron maximum. Is it friends? What is orbital? It is a region around the nucleus where we can find the electron maximum. So then what is a node here? Node is exactly opposite of orbital. Means node is a region around the nucleus where we can't find the electron. Means the probability of the finding the electron is 0. Is it clear friends? What is node? It is a region around the nucleus where we can't find the electron. Means the electrons are 0 at that region. So look here friends, I given here. Here nodes can be calculated by using a formula n minus 1. So how will you get that? I will tell you. So what are the types of nodes here? There are two types. One is a radial node, another one is a angular node. Then what is a radial node? Means radial node is a spherical region or circular region around the nucleus where we can't find the electrons. So the radial node can be calculated by using a formula n minus L minus 1. What is n here? Principal quantum number. L is azimuthal quantum number. So next move on to the angular nodes. Angular node nothing but nodal plane. It is just a plane which cut this lobe. So here we can't find the electron. It is a plane where we can't find the electron, known as angular nodes or nothing but nodal plane. Can be calculated using formula L. If we know the value of L means azimuthal quantum number, then that is equal to the angular nodes. So is it clear friends? So by adding these two, angular node and a radial nodes, then we get a total number of nodes. Means n minus L minus 1 plus L. Plus L minus L get cancelled. We will get n minus 1. So given here the orbital diagram of the sum of the orbitals here. So first one is 1s orbital, 2s orbital, 3s orbital. No nodes are present in the 1s orbital. Why? Means because this is a nucleus of a 1s orbital. The electrons are present at the very near to the nucleus. So the electrons are tightly held by the nucleus. So here no nodes means for angular node L is equal to 0, because for here I given here tabular column L equals 0, 1, 2, 3. The orbital is SPDF. You know that. For 1s orbital L is 0. That is angular node is 0. Is it clear friends? Next one, the radial nodes can be calculated using formula n minus L minus 1 for a 1s orbital. So for 1s orbital n is 1. Here it is 1. For s orbital L is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. We get 0 here. Means radial node for 1s orbital is 0. So next move on to the 2s orbital. For 2s orbital, s orbital L is 0. Means angular node is 0. Just keep in mind friends, angular node for s orbital, for whatever it may be, s orbital 1s, 2s, 3s or 4s, the angular node is 0. Is it clear? For just move on to the radial nodes, that is n minus L minus 1. For 2s orbital, n is 2, L is 0. 0 minus 1, we will get 2 minus 1 is 1. Means this one is from the radial nodes. That is 2s orbital have only one node, that is a radial node. This I given here white portion, this is a radial node. Next move on to the 3s orbital. 3s orbital have two radial nodes. As you know that angular node is 0 for s orbital. This is two nodes which are come from the radial node. You know that the formula, that is n minus L minus 1. So just you put these values, we will get 2 here. Means n is 3. 3 minus 0 minus 1 is 2. Is it clear friends? Yeah, yes friends, look here, in examination they will ask like this. So they will ask 1s orbital, 2p orbital, 3p orbital and 3d orbital. Among these four, which one will have zero nodal plane? So we have to calculate the angular nodes. Then we will solve this question. So look here, friends. So for 1s orbital, L is equal to 0. For s orbital, L is equal to 0. For p, L is equal to 1. Here also 1. For 3d orbital, L is equal to 2. So they ask here, so which orbital have zero nodal plane? So we are only concentrating on the L values here. So the 1s orbital have 0 here. So 1s orbital have 0 nodal plane. So like these type of questions will ask in the examination. Friends, I hope this video will help you. Please like the video and please subscribe to our channel and don't miss to press the bell icon. Thank you.